What should I cook for dinner tonight?
Beta, sabzi for us?
Mama, I'll have vegetable pasta.
I'll have biryani.
Higher bottom mounted refrigerator. Now with the double size of the box, storing variety of vegetables for my family's choice isn't an issue, and everything is at eye level, so I know what all exists. This separate fruit box makes my storage all the more easy. No more struggle for bigger storage and fresh supply. Also saving your bag from the trouble of bending. तो अब झुकना मत. Higher bottom mounted refrigerator is just the best idea.